Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Anwar Ullah and I am Assistant Professor in Department of Biosciences, Kamset University, Islamabad. The topic for my discussion is the structural basis for substrate specificity among snake venom phospholipases B. So in this slide, I have shown the composition of the venom and some of the deleterious effect that is caused by the snake bite. So basically, the snake venom is a mixture of proteins and some inorganic compound. And the protein part contains snake venom serine proteinases that is also called thrombin-like enzyme. We have phospholipases A2, we have amino acid oxidases, disintegrins, C-type lectins, and some of the part of the venom are non-identified. The uses of the snake venom include the captopril, that is tablet that is used as antihypertensive agent. And here are some citation to my article. So here are some toxicological and pharmacological effect of the snake venom. It causes cytotoxicity, neurotoxicity, myotoxicity, and hemorrhage. And the pharmacological effect include neuroreceptors, anti-tumoral and cellular signaling, and antimicrobial effect. And here is the use of the captopril, which is used as antihypertensive agent in the cardiovascular diseases. So here we have done the sequence alignment among snake venom phospholipases B and also with the phospholipases B from the mammals. So it show very high or it indicate high sequence identity 70 to 97% with other snake venom phospholipases B and low sequence identity from 63 to 67 with cow phospholipase B and very low sequence identity about 34% with the mouse phospholipase B. Then we come to the structure of this protein. So the three-dimensional structure of this enzyme has a four-layer alpha beta beta alpha sandwich core, and it has a typical fold of the NTN hydrolases. NTN mean N-terminal nucleophile hydrolases. Then we find out the structural basis for the substrate specificity, and here we compare the active site cavity volume and its depth and also the surface charge distribution. So from these diagram, here we have snake venom phospholipase B, here we have cow phospholipase B and the mouse phospholipase B. So you can see here the surface charge distribution vary greatly here. For example, in case of snake venom phospholipase B, the active site is negatively charged and it is positively charged around the active site. And here for the cow phospholipase B, you can see that the active site is positively charged and around it is also positively charged. For here, the mouse phospholipase B, it is highly negatively charged both inside and the around the active site. So this may impart some variable substrate specificity to these enzymes. The depth and the average cavity volume also vary in these enzymes, so it may also impart variable substrate specificity to these enzymes. Then we have also discussed the maturation process for this enzyme, and the part which is removed during the maturation process, we can see that it has high flexibility, which means that it is present in the hydrophilic part of the kite and doolittle part. Then here is the maturation processes in which we have the first thing part that is removed is the signal peptide, and it is removed by signal peptidase. Then there is removal of another part that is inside our internal peptide that is removed through autocatalysis. And finally, we come to the mature protein, and this mature protein is stabilized by hydrogen bonds and other non-bond contacts. So this is about my presentation. If you have any question, we can discuss it during our live session. Thank you very much for your attention.